Alright, what's next?
Alright, so Dan just challenged me to do a tutorial for a varial rail flip to rail 1 foot landing. So first, definitely know how to varial rail flip to rail. That's key. And I think that's really the only prerequisite, other than like doing that like a million times first. So you're gonna do it the exact same way you would varial rail flip back to rail, except pick a foot to land on. I like to land on my front foot. You might like to land on your back foot. I don't know what feels better for you. Front foot felt right for me, so that's why I chose that one. I feel like I keep looking at Dan and not the camera, so if I'm like looking out to space while watching this, that's why. Anyways, you're just gonna do that, and literally just think about landing on your 1 foot. Hold it as long as you can, and just pop down. So weight distribution is what I'm really thinking about when doing this trick. And again, I don't know how you varial rail flip, so I can't tell you exactly how to put your feet. But I know that as soon as I take off from my rail flip, I am jumping and pushing down with my back foot just a little bit more than I normally would. That's what I need to do to help get the flip. And I am thinking immediately about taking my back foot up and thinking about landing with all my weight on my front foot. And that's really it. It is a very like subjective trick, so what's probably gonna happen is you just keep missing it. And that's honestly the best thing to do, is just keep practicing, change your weight distribution, try maybe landing on your back foot if that might be easier, but also try and be crouched. That will help like keep you more stable, I think. So I'll do a few of them and slow them down, but again, the real key to getting this trick is just doing a lot of varial rail flips. So let's do some. So, one other key thing that will really help you when you're learning this is to find somewhere that isn't sandy. That will make things a little bit easier.
Good advice.
So we're just gonna go with it for now. I don't have anything else to say. That was it.
Good job. Very informative.
Look, a bird.